Hi guys! Today we will be trying this viral eyeshadow technique that was everywhere around TikTok, whatever, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, everything. And I just wanted to see if compared to my regular, eyeshadow technique, packing, blending each individual eyeshadow, if it was actually better or not. So we'll be diving into that, trying both. Against it is a little competition. It's gonna be amazing. So make sure to subscribe to see more and to see 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into this eyeshadow battle in it right away. I am so excited to be trying this viral technique. I don't know what to think about it because I'm so used to placing the colors, blending them, and then placing the other colors. So I know this has been going around everywhere for a while. So basically you just pack on all the shadows you want at the place that you want, and then you just blend them afterwards. So I saw them with colors, I saw them with neutrals, and I just wanted to try with this Norvina ABH Pro Pigment palette. I wanted to go very bright, something that would fit with this. So I was thinking of going with orange, pink, and like this red, like orange, red, and pink. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna pack it. My eyes are already kind of done, so I had concealer and like powder on top. So we're gonna apply this on top of that without removing anything or without even priming the eyes to see if it's like that revolutionary. So we're gonna go straight into it. Mirror. Girl, you dirty. I'm gonna start with applying the pink to my eyes and like packing it on. And then I hope that there's not much fallout because I'm gonna destroy my entire face makeup. But place it where I want and then I bring it down. Placing the pigment is literally the most crucial part. I guess this is placed, so I'm gonna take the same brush because I really don't care. And then going into the red, oh my god, and then packing it right next to it. Like sticking them together, and bringing them all the way down to the lash line. That looks kind of bright right now. Okay, I'm gonna switch my brush side and then go into this lighter orange and then just bring it here, I guess. And then opening up my eyes as always and then checking if it's proper on my eyes. Doesn't that look kind of funny? So these colors, they go well together. They are so bright. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the red here because it's kind of disappeared a bit. Okay, I think I am satisfied now with how it looks. And in the inner corner, I'll add some highlight. I have some right there that I'm gonna put right after the Jaclyn Hill highlighter. We're just gonna stick to the blending for now because I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm not going to do the same thing for under the eyes. I'm going to wait till I finish blending this out to see how it looks like. So I do have 3 blending brushes that I brought. I have this really tiny one for precise blending. I have this medium one for like more bigger things. And then this fluffy one for like the big, just to keep it at the end. So like things look properly blended. I'm going to start with I think I'm going to not take the smallest one because I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. I'm going to go and just start blending like in circles. And I'm going to tell you guys, I put a lot of pigment in there. So I don't know if there's going to be any fallouts whatsoever. And the thing is, okay, I took like pigments that were not that complicated. So that blends pretty well. They're known for kind of like their eyeshadows. I should have went with something harder. I wouldn't say that if you're using color, I wouldn't recommend you using the same brush. Like, look how much pigment it took. It's crazy. And like, it already looks blended. That's not fair. I'm gonna take the big fluffy one and then just softly blend everything. All right, so I blended a little bit. It looks really good. You don't really see any of the definition in it anymore. So like, I would recommend you maybe like starting to blend and then adding back like one step eyeshadow. Doesn't work. Like if you're happy with that, I mean, it's fine. It looks good. But to me, like I'm not happy with the blend. So I would take that little brush. And then as you can see, I have like this line that doesn't want to move here. You can see like it's like stuck here. So I'm like trying to blend it out. Sometimes eyeshadows can stay stuck in certain parts and it's really annoying. You know what's funny? There's a bit of fallout like right here, so I'm just dragging it under and then it looks like it's part of the eyeshadow. Like that's a trick I can give you guys. But do I like? I mean, if you want to do this and then perfect it, it's an amazing technique. The colors look nice, but I mean, I'm gonna have to go back because this is not enough. Using too much pigment it's like, too much is like not enough. Like you have to start and like build it up. I don't think this is gonna work, girl. Okay, so it kind of disappear, you know? And look, like, okay, you blend it a bit and then you go back with the pink to like intensify it, make it look nice. Then you go back with the red, make it look more intense. And then you go back with the orange to like really make it intense. All right, so this is the technique. And then on the other eye, I'm actually gonna do the proper technique that I would use. I did more steps than I was supposed to. But I couldn't just leave it like that. Like, it just doesn't work. Okay, so as you can see, this is my eye. It looks pretty good. The only thing that I have to say is that the pigment is like kind of blended everywhere with each other. So maybe I should finish this one. No, I'm going to go to the other ones right away. So I'm going to do this eye proper. So how I would normally do it. Now I have like eyeshadow powder everywhere on my desk. So I'm just going to change my brushes except for maybe this one because I barely used it. I have around the same brushes for the other side. So I'm going to start with the pink and on the pink. And then I'm going to start building my way into, and then I'm going to take a little tiny brush and then buff the edges. And then I add back and forth because this is like a work in progress. It's going to take time. Where did you go? Then you take a brush that is clean and then you go around and then fluff it out. Beautiful, like beautiful. Do you see this? Step number 1, done. And oh my God. Okay, so if you want, I'm gonna take this same packer brush and then go with the red on this time. And then I'm gonna go straight next to it. And then pack it. So this is more like an orangey red that's gonna give a transition all the way to the orange. It's not actually gonna be like super intense, but you don't know, maybe it's gonna be intense. And we're taking our times here, like we're not in a rush. Take a fluffy brush and then you blend the red back into the horizon. And already you can see that the blend is so much softer than the other one. This is like a slab of color and this is way more controlled and more soft, especially under the brow area. So it's going to be easier to put the shimmer and it's just going to look more vibrant when you do so. So again, same brush, orange this time, and the orange, we pack it, we take our time, take the fluffy brush and then just blend everything. I took my time. I didn't do it like that, you know. It didn't take me that much time longer to do it. Of course, it's not like the perfect eyeshadow that I've ever done in my life. But it's definitely more blended than this one right here. So it looks more vibrant. It looks better. I feel like you should take your time doing your eyeshadow. I mean, it's gonna work if you're in a rush, but I would highly recommend you just, you know, doing it properly. And then look, I'm putting a bit of the pink right under the lashes. More precise, more controlled, and it looks so much better. Like, I mean, it works if you want a certain type of look and you're really in a rush, like it would work. But you can't compare. Of course, I have a little bit of fallout there. Sorry. I have a little bit of fallout. So this is a completely different game. I'm just gonna not cheat and put the same on here. And for the final touches, I just want to highlight everything to really put everything together. Again, the Jaclyn Hill little highlighter. I'm gonna put this one. I'm not gonna do any cut crease, anything. I'm just showing you the viral technique that appeared everywhere on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. So a little bit of highlight. Beautiful side that we took our time to do. And then the other side. I swear, I did do my dues, okay? It's crazy, the difference that it makes. It works, but like desirably, as I would say, like it would work with maybe like neutrals, like very light neutrals, it would work. But if you're playing with colors, just avoid this technique altogether and just take your time to place the colors because you don't want this to go everywhere. That's all I have to say, guys. It's like super cute. So that's what I think. I think that I should stick with my regular eyeshadow technique. It's not that good. The other one's not that good, to be honest. I don't know what else to say. And that's it. That's the small video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it, trying this viral technique of TikTok and YouTube and all these things. A lot of people use that technique just with neutrals. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like the video, to comment down below, and make sure to subscribe for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. Love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.